Hey, today we're gonna be installing some parts on my son's little mountain bike. We got this bike for him about a year ago and he's been using it a lot. And we've already made a couple of modifications to it, but today we're going to be making some cockpit upgrades. So first I'll show you a little bit about his bike and show you what he's been working with.
Let's go. But here we go now. Batman scoop on the mic, mixing the mix on the wheels of steel. This is what I was.
The stock setup on this bike uses what's called a quill stem, and then it uses this pinch bolt to secure the handlebars. And as you can see, the handlebars have been rotating into an undesirable riding position. So what we're gonna do today is swap out a bunch of parts in the cockpit and see if we can't get him something that's a little bit better for him.
Go.
So that does it for the disassembly. One thing I wanted to make sure when I put parts onto this bike is that I didn't increase the weight. And actually I was hoping to rather decrease the weight, because even though it's a small bike, it's pretty heavy. I haven't weighed it, but it feels like it weighs more than my bike, and I ride an extra large frame. So we'll stick the new parts and the old parts on this scale. We'll see if we came out a little bit ahead. I just figured out that this stem that I got is not gonna fit. It's actually a little bit small. So back to the drawing board, we'll have to order another stem and hopefully a new one will fit. This one's just not gonna work for us. All right, through the miracle of modern technology, we have our new stem adapter. So let's put this thing back together. So now I'd like to do a little segment called What I Learned Today.
What I learned today.
Today I learned two things. First and foremost, while a lot of bike parts are pretty universal, some are definitely not. And it really pays to measure everything before you start ordering stuff up. In this case, it bit me on the stem adapter. I ordered just one that was too small and had to reorder, costing me a couple of bucks and a couple of days. So definitely an opportunity there to make the process quicker and less expensive on the next one. The second thing I learned was regarding these items. There seems to be a specific way for disassembling and reassembling the brake lever. So what I figured out is that the first thing you do is loosen the brake cable. The second thing you do is line up all of this. The slots should be perfectly in line. At that point, you can take the brake cable, insert it in here into the catch, put it through the slot, and bam, you're installed. The way I did it was a lot more fumbly and bumbly, and I wasted a bunch of time and tried to figure it out, but I eventually got it. This way is just a lot quicker and a lot easier. And that concludes what I learned today. Well, there you have it. We are done with the cockpit upgrade on the Diamond Back and ready to hit the trails. Unfortunately, my little dude is under the weather a little bit, so no shredding today, but hopefully soon.